Moto Nana Eats.
At sa Pakano, ma'am, second time natin to visit Tio's Steak and Pork Chops. Ayan. Second time natin to try. And second time din natin mag-order ng starters. Unfortunately, hindi daw available yung starters nila. So, gawin kaya natin tong quest, no? Na-try natin maka-order ng starters until mabigyan tayo ng starters, ng appetizers. So, for the second time, we ordered something different. I ordered the Australian Porterhouse and Direct ordered the USDA butter-aged ribeye. Yan. Hindi rin siya ganun kanipis. Gravy still is the same. Consistent. Laki ng ribeye. Sabi niya, ribeye. Is it like soft or is it not? First time trying the Australian Porterhouse. Yes, G. Okay naman, masarap naman yung Porterhouse. Parang mayroon siyang garlic butter kineme.
Moto Nana Eats.
In fairness, masarap yung Porterhouse. I like it. I like how it's cooked. So far, it's good. Parang I like this better than the sirloin. Yung Australian ha. Australian Porterhouse. Let's try the ribeye. Ribeye to, diba? The ribeye is a lot thicker, a little bit thicker than the Porterhouse, but let's try.
Nana Eats.
Yung taste ng meat itself, ng ribeye, tsaka ng Porterhouse, magkaiba. Pero yung timpla niya, same. Yun nakakatuwa. Hindi siya yung pare-pareho ng lasa. Can it be on the a little bit softer side? It can, but I think it's okay. I haven't tried the veggie. At kung nakasubscribe kayo na matagal na, alam niyo na very particular ako palagi sa mixed veggies. So, na-boil ba siya ng maayos galing sa freezer? Kulang. Sorry, kulang siya sa boil. We're rating naman the star of the Pasko. The star of the show, the steak. It is good. Lately, parang palagi namin inaay magpunta dito. So, pupunta ba kami ulit? Pupunta kami ulit. For sure. Wish ko lang, sana mas mainit siya. Hindi siya galong kainit nung sinerve. But the taste is there. It's good. Masarap na yung gravy. So, mga kanomnoms, with that, we'll end the vlog since masarap siya at i-devour na namin to. For me, for the steak, yung Porterhouse, it's not that thick, but it's big. The taste is there. Yung mismong meat niya may lasa na okay siya, yung gusto ko. At medyo sakto yung pagluto nung gusto namin na Danyes. Kaya siguro I'd give this a 4. Ribeye. Actually, gusto ko yung thickness ng ribeye, pero gusto ko yung lasa ng Porterhouse. I'd give it a 4 as well. I'd give them both 4 over 5. Direct, same thing, 4 over 5. Dahil dyan, magbababay tayo ng mga ulit. So dahil dyan mga kanomams, magbababay na tayo. See you again in the next time. Ha? Nagugulo ako. See you again next time mga kanomams. That is it, Pansit, and it's a pusa. That is it, Pansit, Pusa. That is it, Pansit, and it's a wrap. Bye!